Hello, in front of me I've got SsangYong Rexton. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can activate steering wheel heating, activate voice assistant, answer and end calls, change radio station and radio volume. On the right side, we've got the panel thanks to which we can enable cruise control and adjust it. Thanks to these buttons, we can navigate through instrument cluster display. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.